Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash from Capital One 360 ATM networks, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash from a Capital One 360 ATM, start by locating an ATM in the Capital One network. You can use the Capital One mobile app or website to find the nearest ATM. Once you reach the ATM, ensure you have your Capital One debit card ready. Insert your debit card into the ATM. Follow the prompts on the screen to select your language preference. Enter your PIN securely when prompted. Choose the option for cash withdrawal. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Wait as the ATM processes your request and dispenses the cash. Retrieve your cash and your debit card from the ATM. Take any printed receipt if you need a record of the transaction. Make sure to securely put your cash and card away before leaving the ATM. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal, follow the on-screen instructions for assistance. Remember to always be aware of your surroundings while using the ATM. Your transaction will be reflected in your Capital One 360 account shortly after you complete it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.